a world away from my home, and I was haunted by the wolves, and I was heckled by the crows. Darling, do not fear what you don't really know. Alongside my innocence, I laid in bed awake, conflicted and estranged with the impetus of age. But like a phantom, she crept across the floor and out the window. Darling, do not fear what you don't really know. From this place on the man, so my heart was taken down, scattered in 1,000 little pieces on the ground. And I below street lamp like an orphan with a halo. Darling, do not fear what you don't really know, 'cause it won't last. Worries will pass. All your troubles, they don't stand a chance. And sometimes it takes more than a lifetime to know. Darling, do not fear what you don't really know.